Hi, good morning guys. So today is a short video about calibration of the Selespeed system. Sometimes after some time or after a drive or after you have repaired the Selespeed and the gearbox, you would want to do a calibration. So I have this app in my phone called the Alfa OBD2, or rather Alfa OBD is an app that I bought, and reader like this. This is a modified version of the ELM 327 if I'm not wrong. So this one reads my car. I have another one which is called the MC Plus from V-Linker. That one also works. So today I'll show you how to do simple calibration. There is 3 programs that I go through, and it should solve any problems or anything that your car faces, like uneven gear shift, rough shifts, and starts off, all this kind of stuff. So we shall get on with it. Okay guys, alright guys, so today is handheld, so a bit of wobbling and shaking. So yeah, okay, I have run the car. I've just come back from a drive, so the engine is warm. So this calibration needs to be done warm. This is the app that I'm using. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in the OBD to the OBD2, which is behind this panel. Right, so we can see, just a moment. First you have to open up the panel. Right, my screw is unscrewed. I took it out, so it's easier for me. So you just pull from here, it comes down. Right, and you can see the OBD2 port that is here. Right, so you just basically plug it in. Right, gingerly. So it goes in. Okay, so this is set. So now you will see this is set to Alfa Romeo, and you choose the 159, which is my car, or anyone that you choose. Then you go to the transmission. Right, you select the control unit, which is the Selespeed unit. Right, then you plug in the key. And the end should come live. Alright, so then you would connect. So you can see that it's connected, and so basically from here you go to the checking for faults. So first you read all the faults first. So no fault found. So this has to be only done when there are no faults, and the Selespeed pressure got to be higher than 40 bar. All right, from here, right, you will go to the this procedure. All this procedure start. All right, so first item that I will do is usually to clutch bleed. All right, clutch bleed the thing, or to enable self-calibration mode. So most of the time I will clutch bleed first. Alright, so from here you will say start operation, so I'll start. So it just reads all to press the pedal, blah blah blah, everything, and the clutch bleed will do for about 1 minute. So from here I'll press the brake pedal. Right, then I will start. Then the process will just go on. You can hear the system bleeding the clutch. Okay, procedure completed. Right, so from here we will go back. Right, go to the there's this clutch self-calibration mode. Okay, for this mode, alright, you will have to start the engine. So from here, I will start the engine first. Right, so once the engine is started, you can start for the self-calibration. So this will take a while. Yes, procedure completed. So from here, you can switch off the engine, right? Turn it off first, then quickly turn it back on, so that the OBD2 and the system doesn't break in terms of the connection to the phone. So we will go back to the last one that I always do is basically to do the end of line or self-calibration. All right. So when you go in, it says test perform blah 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 everything, then the hydraulic pressure have to be over 40 bar. But this one you may not know because you are not reading it. But the engine is off, but the car is the system is on. So from here, you just basically just press start, and you will hear the gearbox go through the gears. And you will basically calibrate all the solenoids and clutch and everything. So I press start. So I'll go to the side. You can see I don't know if you can hear it. So basically the system will run. I'm going to close the door so that I don't have so much noise. Yes, you can see that the clutch, the system is running through the gears. Okay, so now the procedure is completed and successful. So this is usually what I do when I repair my Selespeed or I feel that the car is running rough or everything. So from here on, you can basically start the car. And sorry guys, it's shaking a lot, my hands. So I will start the car, clutch in. Right, so you can see everything is running. So I shall let you see the graph whereby I always check for once I calibrate this. I have shown you the before and after, but anyways, it's fine. Okay, this is primarily the safe position that I have before I run the graph. Right, these are all the pressures and gears and gauge, everything. You notice that it is not run. So what I do, you can see the numbers, all right? So what I do, I'll always clear the gauge, all right? Clear all gauges. Okay, sorry, from here, I'll press the start, and you can see all the numbers start coming in. Gear engagement position, the selections position, the clutch pressure position, right? So this I will know whether all my readings are correct, the pressure for the system and the gear and gauge. So these are all the numbers. So these are all within parameters, right? The clutch, most importantly, I always look at the clutch pressure plate reference and the stroke. So when I engage first gear, if you can see, right, you run to roughly 1 mm more. So that means the clutch is open, right? And you can see the selector position has gone up another 20 mm. So if I were to slowly engage, slowly press the accelerator, you will basically see the the numbers open up. You can see, yeah, this is when it's trying to move forward. Yeah, so when I remove, go to neutral, yeah, so this is at the rest position. So all these are within parameters, and it will be good at these numbers. If anything there's more than all these numbers, that means your calibration is quite off. Alright guys, so I hope you have understand what is this all about. Maybe you can drop me some questions and all that, and yeah, this is usually what I do for the Selespeed calibration. Okay, I shall see you again guys in another video. Alright guys, see you again, bye.